I am so sad I miss my wife so much. Send me a message if you are here, my love, my dearest. Love every moment I spend with you feels like a dream come true. You are my everything, my reason for living. To my darling, I never knew true happiness until I meet you. Your love fills my heart with joy and my soul with peace. Sweetheart, you are the light in my life, guiding my through the darkest of times. I am forever grateful for your love. Just in cause you have forgotten, today you matter. You are loved. You are worth it, and I am blessed to have you in my life. You bring joy and light into my existence, and your impact on me is immeasurable. Thank you for being you every day. You grace the world with your kindness. You make it a better place, not just for me, but for everyone around you.